the explosion wave. Shape a frame or simply a picture in your thoughts that you would like to translate into reality. Immediately follow it by imagining that a sphere is expanding outwards from your body in all directions, as if your energy field has suddenly exploded. The explosion wave can extend as far as you are able to imagine it. You can repeat this exercise several times until you are tired of it. So what is happening here? You create a mental image and send it out into the universe. You can be certain that your thoughts will not be lost without a trace. You just have to bear in mind that the mirror works with a delay.